Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Only Best, and you're welcome to Only Best Beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Okay, guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Now, the first thing we go first tell you because all these are important. If you miss subscribing, you miss more videos. Okay, for you to have seen this channel in the very first place, it means a patente they call you. Yeah. Sadly, that's the truth. We all need patente one way or the other. And they call them the fourth leg. It really help to make things faster. So if you're just seeing this channel, subscribe. After you subscribe, you go see one bell with it there. Turn that bell on. Turn it on so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to know. You don't want to miss out on any of these videos. They all have vital information to help you get your patente very, very fast. Now, let's get into this video. If at the end of this video you like this video, it wouldn't hurt if you give me a like. Share this video, your family, friends, loved ones, and guess what? Even your enemies, share to them, make them consistent to get the patente. In not really days, not when tomorrow they see you get patente, they will see how come. Make them consider the process. Now let's jump right into it. Striscia Continua, Centrale, Affiancata, a sinistra, una striscia discontinua. Now we still there on Segnaletica Orizzontale, the part 6 of this particular patente theory. And now we are dealing on discontinuous line and continuous line side by side. Now we have done this chapter 6, we have done the part 1, part 2, now part 3. So I urge you, go from the part 1 of this particular chapter, watch up till now. Mind you, everything there for playlist. We have playlist chapter 1 down to this one we are chapter 6. So it go there very, very, very easy for you to locate them. Now, this is continuous line affiancata, side by side, a discontinuous line. Now, the both of them, they side by side, just as seen in this diagram. I'm going to read through and as well explain as normal. Si trova su strada a doppio senso di circolazione. Now, this type of striscia, with it side by side, you go find them for two-way circulation. La striscia continua della parte dei veicoli indica che esso non ha ancora superato il pericolo. È vigo obbligo di non impegnare l'altra corsia. Now, this particular continuous line that is beside this vehicle, this whole continuous line, it tell am say, you never pass this danger zone. You never approach this danger zone. Now, approach it, but you never pass it. So that is why on your path, you're seeing a continuous line telling you, don't enter this other line. Be it for surpassing, for overtaking, you know they allowed to engage the other lane. Okay, that is why on your path, you're seeing the continuous line telling you, you dey approach a danger. Don't try to do an overtaking. You know fit climb this line. Of course, you know, say for Striscia Continua, you know fit climb am. So that is why it is beside you, telling this black car, for example, you cannot do overtaking because you dey approach a danger. Ad esempio, si puoi trovare, now for example, this type of line, okay, you fit find them. Prima di una curva sull'altro senso di marcia. You can find it for curve, okay, this particular sign, we get discontinua, continuous line together, you fit find them before a curve. È discontinua in quanto ci si trova all'uscita della curva, quindi si ha maggiore visibilità. Now, for example, you there for curve, you see this type of road. What does it tell you? Now, I'm using this car as you. It is telling you, keep going, do not try to do an overtaking. You are approaching a curve, a dangerous zone, whereby your visibility is not clearer enough. So don't try to do an overtaking. That is why on your path, you see continuous line where they arrest you. Say, not just try to move, I dare your side. Okay, so on the other end, they have the discontinuous line because they themselves are just coming out from that curva that you are about to enter. So you are about to enter that curva. That is why you're seeing a continuous line. They are coming out from that curva. That is why they are seeing a discontinuous line, telling them, you're welcome. You just come out from danger. From now on, you can overtake. It is telling them here that they can overtake. They are just coming out. So that is why they are saying discontinuous line. And remember, say discontinuous line, you feel clamber. So it is telling them you can do an overtaking because now you don't come out from this dangerous zone. Ok, let us continue. Sul tratto in salita di un dosso, sull'altro senso di marcia è discontinua, in quanto ci si trova nel tratto discendente, quindi si ha maggiore visibilità. Now, we are dealing on the discontinuous line. Waiting, waiting. Oh, guys. Okay, waiting the discontinuous line. Tell them, people will come from here. When you see for those on a hill, it is telling them, you're welcome, ladies and gentlemen. You're just coming out from a danger, from a hill. So that is why you have the discontinuous line by your side telling you, now you don't feel your visibility. It don't get clearer enough. From now on, you feel do overtaking. That is why they have the discontinuous line. It is telling them, like a Yoruba will say, a cabo. Okay, so you dey free to do overtaking. Okay, now this black car, it is tell them, guy, just dey your side. Not just even try to make a move because your side here, you get continuous line where they choke you. If you make a move, you go face penalty. You know if it cross continuous line. Just they go because if they approach a hill, a doso. You they approach. Why these people they are coming out? Now, prima di un incrocio, you fix them before a junction as well. That's Striscia, discontinua together with continuous. I believe when you see for junction, you know what is telling you. Okay, when you see continuous on your side, don't do overtaking. Okay, as you're coming out from this junction, you will see discontinua. From then onwards, your visibility is clearer. You can do your overtaking. Prima di un passaggio a livello, also before a passaggio a livello, you go still see this type of Striscia Affiancata. It tell you say, you that is approaching this particular spot where continuous line dey your side, hold your side, you dey close to passaggio a livello, where train take cross for road, train tracks take cross for road. That is what they call passaggio a livello. It is a level crossing for trains. Okay, it tell you, you dey close to this place. Okay, you dey close to a danger. Now, when you dey drive come out, you will see this continuous line telling you, you have just successfully overcome the danger. Now you can do your overtaking. Okay, guys, let us see another one now. This particular Striscia Discontinua, it is by the left side. So we'll see, this time around, they don't put them for the right side. So it's just a swap of position. Now we're going to see, if you see them like this, remember, say initially, when I'm going to go back to the first photo so that you don't get confused. Initially, it was continuous line beside the car. Look at it very carefully. Now, it is a discontinuous line beside this car. So, let's see what it says. Si trova su strada a doppio senso di circolazione. Now, this type of Striscia, double like this, you go see them for two-way circulation. La striscia discontinua della parte dei veicoli indica che esso ha superato il perico e può eventualmente impegnare la corsia, per esempio, per il sorpasso. Now, when you see this discontinuous line beside this car right now, it tell and say, you have just successfully come out from a danger. You can do overtaking because your side now discontinuous line there. You are free to do overtaking. You have just come or overcome the danger. For example, where you can find this particular sign, okay? Dopo una curva, just like the first one, after a curve, su lato senso di marcia è continua, in quanto ci si trova prima della curva, quindi si ha minore visibilità. Now, on your path, you see this continuous line. It tell you, say, now you have come out of this danger. While on the other end, those people, they see continuous line telling them, this danger where this car from come out, so you won't approach the same danger. That is why on your path, there's a continuous line. Just don't even make a move. Keep going. Don't attempt to do overtaking. You're not fit cross a continuous line. So, sul tratto in discesa di un dosso, Sul lato senso di marcia è continua, in quanto ci si trova nel tratto in salita, quindi si ha minore visibilità. Now, when you dey for hill for this type of road, this discontinuous line, you see the moment when you come down the hill, you're going to see a discontinuous line telling you, welcome, you have just successfully climbed over this danger. Now you can do overtaking. Now, on the other end, these people that will see them when they about to climb the hill, telling them, be careful, you won't climb a danger zone. That is why by your path, you're seeing a continuous line telling you, not do overtaking, or you they approach a danger. The salita, it means when you they climb the hill. Why did the chesa means when you're coming out of the hill? So you see the continuous line climbing the hill, you see the discontinuous line coming out of this hill. Dopo un incrocio, after a junction, you will see this continuous line. Dopo un passaggio a livello, after passaggio a livello, you will also see a continuous line. Remember, saying after, now you see discontinuous. Why? Before, now you will see continuous. I'm going to go back again. When you're going before this danger, you will see continuous. After this danger, you will see discontinua. Now, I gave, okay, this is another illustration for attraversamento pedonale. Now, before this particular place, when you drive this way, you will see a continuous line telling you, you approach this place. Okay, this is a danger zone. Okay, you approach her. Now, immediately you climb over this attraversamento pedonale, you will begin to see this continuous line here telling you, a cabo, welcome, you just cross over this danger. Then on this other end, to those where they come this way now, okay, this now two-way circulation. It tell them say from this place, so see continuous line, no, you they approach attraversamento pedonale. So more they go je. Now immediately you cross over this attraversamento pedonale. You go come tell you say see this continuous line. Now you fit go do your overtaking. It is as simple as that. I don't know if it is well explained. If it is not well explained, please leave it in the comment section. If you still like my explanation, please leave it in the comment section. That one will still give me more mura. My head will come swell up. Okay, guys. I will be dropping more video based on Signatica Horizontale. Please stay tuned. Do not move an inch. Carry chair, carry book, carry pen, sit down. It is very important that you're jotting something down. It is very, very important. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. I love you.